Yamano sana umwanchumuli ya wigitaseni kia Ndizi TV nebiro binde na ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya eli ndengo manyie na raya berekago kolekana kurwa chingongo chionsi enye chensi chitari kichari no chitari kia merongebere na isato mutinyu 12 umwako yoiga wechirubere emerongebere nebere chingaki umwanchumuli etwarara amatemwa a KCSE abakago ika omoelio olitukolierero naboigo nigo chiskuru a imense ya Kenya chikenda tago chengera magega ya machibu ya matemu y'ikirasi kya 5 na 3 KCPE abakagosokiwa bene no waziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu Ombaki kolende asensemo yende nigo chiskuru cyabere chiko tugutirale amachibu ayo asekeli bagoteba buna nigo atali amaikiranu kolende ase county ya Kisii nigo ekina ky'omwana Junior Sagini kegenda tayo gotegererwa ase abakagirwa bamamucho yogo konora amaiso omwana Sagini baba gwikiwa bosi wekegambero ase ngencho yokwegerera naboigo ase county ya Nairobi nigegati yaba MCA babere bagwesoke bene nagotuguterale engana yokolingoria Lucky Oduke ase county yo naboigo ababwatani naboigo abarai bakubwatira nabayege nwakorwa ase ekyomegi y'Abaislamu nigo bono bayiroko boko engana yaye Aden Dwale ase ogosika eyanga ya hijab mwanchumulire karansa oike elinde ngomanye asenchira yobwekiranu kolende inyora asensemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na pakatunya gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bayiga sensemo ya YouTube na pakatunya gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na pakatunya gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eritaria ne Frida Kerubo na sensemo chibyaro kerelyo nigo tokubwatenere Joshua Auta ngwera nanda segekeke ngomanye na raya basaki baito babere bago saka konyaba na ko twaliganiria asenchira yobwekirano Biyakegima omwanchi omulyereria Amayia Ensa Eyemo nigo toko yachakira korwa se county ya Kisii asengo komanyibuna ekina ky'omwana Sagini Junior nigo gyategererwa lero ase abakagerwa batatu baba gwika bosi wekegambero elikwiraniria amamocho babete bagosoerwa ase ogokonora omwana oyo amaiso Alex Ochongo Maina naboigo Rail Nyakerario amona Pacifica Nyakerario nigo baika bosi wekegambero ase bakana amamuchayo kolende omosoeri Hilary Kaino nigo abagakuru gosaba guchaso muna chekina abega kubatiga ase erumande ekyagera achikoba igorera nigo abamenyi be county ya Kisii barachikonyara koba abakobaita kolende baberabo Alex Maina naboigo Rail Nyakerario nigo baba bagwanchirana ase ogochika kurwase omuna chekina kwa bagokorwegwa kolende asensemo ya Pacifica niga abakagutuguterale robotioro kolende tiatorogeria robotioro asenchira yobwekiranu.
Alex, umeelewa maombi hayo, unalipi la kusema? Upande wa mashtaka wanapinga kwamba usipewe dhamana bond ama cash bail. Sababu ni kwamba moja, wanahofia kwamba ninyi mkiweza kuachiliwa sahi kwa sasa bado iko na hamaki, watu wamekasirika. Kwa hivyo kwa usalama wenu wanaomba bado mbaki kule rumande kesi ikiendelea, na pili kwamba wanahofia kwamba kuna uwezekano kwamba nyinyi mnaweza kususia wale mashahidi wasiweze kuja hapa kotini. Wanasema kwamba wale mashahidi ni majamaa zenu. Mara mtakapopewa zile statements mtaweza kujua majina yao, na kuna wanahofia kwamba mtaweza kuwasusia wasiweze kuja kotini kutoa ushahidi wao. Kwa hivyo wanaomba msipewe dhamana bond ama cash bail. Uko sawa?
ekiombe gia Gusii Council of Elders nigo bachiramo na kugenderera kugikiria chimbwa chimbe echiche iturene chinga kibuno gusambwa kwa bantu abo bakageire koba abarogi nabo igo chisegi chia nyumba nagati yechinde bakoragwa n'umunyakirego obo araka matundura nigo babuliri abantu bonsi gocha ase obwamo ase bali eira gochikotalira chiwodi Eyemo County ya Kisii nabo igo gosemia abagusii Murikito Evelyn Sero na mange.
Ekiombe kia Gusii Culture and Development Council nigo kiagikeire bororo chimbwa chimbe asegesa kukyomo Gusii. Ayamagaga yebikoro ao gati yabo gusarigwa kwa bana banyaruka ogosambwa kwa banto asogokagerwa kwa babarogi kwerusia obomoyo amarita mapema egati yebinde binke ebyo byarokanire asorogongo rwa Gusii ebyo batebire bikoreto bosoku asegesa kukyomo Gusii.
Na wase waliosema hawataki kusikia hiyo tena. Tutumie njia sote kuona hayo mambo hayaendi njia hiyo. Tumeona ni mbaya na wameweka njia tunaenda kufanya. Na tunataka kutafuta kiini ni kwa nini haya yote yanafanyika.
Gokwana asege karobatu areme mochio bosongo munyakero gobo matundraraka niga kwanerege korokyo mwana Junior Sagini na gotebane yogogeche mono.
Watoto mmoja anaitwa Sagini alitolewa na macho. Hiyo kitu kimehuti hawa wazee na mama. Kimewahuti sana na kimewakera kabisa hata nyumbani kwao huko. Na wakaona leo wakuje waongee wakiwa hapa. Yule alitenda ama walitenda mambo haya ya huyu mtoto tumewarani kwa njia ya Kisii kabisa.
Matundrani gaine kiabuna ambacho gotumeka chinchara chionsi chibwenerete eryo korora amangana bunaya aikiromo eryo.
Kwa hivyo tutatumia kanisa kuona tumesuluhisha haya maneno, tulisema hiyo. Tutaongea hata kwa mashule, tutatafuta kila mbinu tuone mambo haya yameingia kwa watu wetu kabisa kwa njia zote. Tunataka kutafuta njia ya kwenda kwa hizi wards, tuongee na wananchi kwa karibu ile. Tuwe karibu na wananchi, tuongee kwa ward, tutaongea kwa sub counties siko 16. Tuongee hapo.
Omori kintenenera abwe kiombekyo omwansa tai nigense mendate babuna nigo bagocho gutumeka chinchara nabo igo chiobis chibwenerete eryo korwa basemia asabasae.
We want to use the media because the media will reach our people in a more fast way. We'll also use our cultural office in Kisii to sensitize or to educate the youths who are within town so that they get to know how Gusii came up, grew up, and whatever is expected of Gusii. We also want the church intervention in matters of family life, in matters pertaining how people should behave in their families. They want to also use the provincial administration because they have the authority. That is right from the assistant chief, the chief, and the DCC.
Nigakora sogote babuna chisegi ase county ya Nyamira na Kisii nigo chirachiwe ikomorio.
The Kisii County wrangles, the Nyamira County wrangles, the elders have unanimously passed a resolution that they should not be seen anymore. In the event of anything, let them go in-house, sort them out. If failure to do that, then our chairman will come up and call his executive committee to deliberate on the same so that we have 2 counties running smoothly without any issues.
Nebikore byarokanire koreta obosoko bonene na mononko irane inse egesaku kyomo Gusii. Go reporter egetaseni kia Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.
Mbiamano sana omurikito Evelyn Sero asogotwaliganiria orobotirwa senchira iyobekiranu konde togosika mutu ase orobotironde nigongo kumanyuna ekiombe gia mwanyagetinge Heritage Council nigo litukolia rero kyomerana asensemo ya suneka ime ya bonchari county ya Kisii elyo kwanera igoro ya mangana alengete Gusii ase obwamo na kuligia amachibu yogokora emechando gati Gusii murikito nde Steve natalira chinsemecho na gutwaliganiria oroboti rokobwatia Kisii
ase ekenyorokia ria Gitugi ewodi ya Bumurenda Nigaba gaka nabang'ina inseri ya buriria mwanya Getinge Heritage Council branch ya Bonchari basanga igoro ege korone chimbwa chimbe cyarorekanire ime ya Gusii asa matuka bwango iga
Tombea iga sogo semani totebererani erinde muna turanyare kwiga chimbu chomo Gusii oriokare na into inde tonyare gokonyana aseng'encho yogotuge kamang'ana ya yegekoro
minto goto twachira amatokuro ngane yiga tonyobwaterane tigere nyare koera koetera stinguru cho maneno ito Nyasaye
goto ntuna mwanya Getinge otokora rio molembe utukolishoni abakora rio molembe obonya mwanya bantu bobo
gati ye chimbwa chimbe chiagikerwa na muno korusiwa maiso kwa mwana Junior Sagini eng'ana yogosambwa kwa bantu ogotachirwa inse kwa abana chisegi chiegenka gati ebintu binde
abang'ina beringire nintageteranji sasaba nanyora omong'ina teyo njikoni akari nintetendagere maragoba ong'akoboki makoboko ombekera matoronge koboko ng'ana aragerete takong'aina abana ngogwaka gose gokong'aka kwamate ng'atatomi nakong'aka bosa yayo ng'anyete njikoni omenyete abagaka bare goikaransa ise bagamba amang'ana ayu omonto kang'achiruna na omorogi enjera nere abagaka bamwanya Getinge bare goikaransa bagayana amang'ana ayu negento kende kyogokumi mono abagaka ego bakomworugo lakini mbali gukwana noya tokogikeria ogoito kwa abana n'abang'ina n'abasubati abagaka abange mbabwata obororo chinyomba chiabo mpaka bairaneire ekenyenga amaru naro bakogenda wekubia nayo ngogikeritire na mwanya Getinge
omochaki bw'ekiombe kia Utu Coalition Dr. Kerubo Abuya nachengere kerengereri gy'ekiombe kia mwanya Getinge ekyo kegokonya ebiombe binde kurwanira obwene bwa mwanya bantu
togateba ng'abantu be culture abarai begetamaduni kieke Gusii cultural leaders baito babwatera namo na religious leaders bedini ntonyare kore tugonchore yekere binte binge ngokorekana birege Gusii biatorete irobo sokura kindi namoro kegima biatago iromo Gusii igotogoteba mo Gusii ntori gotara matenenda rero igotore iga no bosoku ekere bintu biakorekanire iga bitarenge gokorekana no mo Gusii
nonye esuguku ya Christmas no mwako moya kegendrete kunyunka ang'e nigo bonsi basabiruko bamaiso erio kwenekia bikoro byoboke bago nechitang'uche nchiri kogendererigu ase binyoro
tiga toba barendi babana baito tobarende chinga kichiga chiesuguku toba semi bona letu abanyore to kuba semi chimbwa chingiya chimbwa chobo mwanya bantu
abagaka ba mintu irana gesarate toikaransia abana baito tobate una bagwende gwesika una bagwende gwatia majikaito gekoro tosikane into ase intwe totiga goita baibori tosika abana baito tobakinge tuchingiya mintu mamusi togenderere
Koripoteria Ndizi TV korwa sekenyorokia ria Gitugi Bumurenda Ward Bonchari Constituency Erietaliane Ndemo Steven
Mbiamano sana omurikeito Ndemo Steven asogotwariganiria orobotioru oroikiranu kwende togotigana nayo na gusikamutu nigongo kumanyibuna abateneri bense moya Keumbu Wholeness Children's Home bakoragwa nomo director Reverend Abel Onchari nigo bagokeire amachibu ya matemwa y'ikirasi kya 5 na 3 ayobete kagosoka bwango iga ase bairira buna nigo aborokigwa korwa asensemeyo babete bagokoria buya kolinde nigo baburirio bokonyi ase baganirie abana bo gokonywa nabo igokogendereria chisemi cyabo ase ng'encho yokogania nabo igokogenderera gokonyeka amatuko abusio
somucho yigantu bwata abana bare side ya 112 abana bare chintakana abande go bare street children yasa tokonyira sobwaro bega magure buna abana baito bakore bya kurwa klasi ya 5 na 3 ababata max ya maya kuchakara max 395 kugenda kuchinse mwana teyo bwate biro 250 tote binyasa utongambi ya mono tuota abana baito abange bari college bana baito abange bari university gomuchiyo yigo bere bwo bokonyi aseng'encho ya abana bonse bawetera so muchoyo abande ba college chiabo university chiabo igasi bakuri banyara obokonyi bakonya abana bamwabo bonte tukobeka piringa bantu baminto bali moroche amatangasa ya motokonyi n'abana bakoreta amatemu egera banyara konyora sponsorship banyara konyora bako babwati ko bato koboko bagendere n'amasomo abo
asamariye tangoro kujenyo njari nyasa utwanjeire abana baitumbanyarete gukora amatemu nyasaka bakonya banyoreta amaxi aramaya abana banonye baitete banyoreta amaxi ayamaya ntubwati njerende turabakonye basoye giskuru tugusaba bari baranyare ko tokonya nokokonya abana bakura nyore nganunyare kuira nonye umwana oyo momukonya umwaka niri school fees nakumukonya kirura mukonya sing'enjoye skuru ntotebi nyasaye mbiamono
koreng'ana n'obotuki bwabeire bogokorekana nigo bwabeire bokoro kiuna chiskuru chia banyene nigo chiabere chigokoribia gwetania chiskuru chia serikali kurinde ekera matemu ya machibu ya matemu abeteka gosoka umwako yiga nigo amonchereria abere gakororokana ime county ya Kisii eskuru ya St Patrick's Mosocho nigo yarogatie gokoribia ase abana batano babwate amagisi chiminye guchiguru Molikeito Hamisi Josephat na Mange
Chinga kichi sukuru Ensa ya Kenya chigenda tukabari chigo chingera amachibu yamatemu yekerasi ya gatano gatatu yumwaka unyara kabago gweta bono nigo eskuru ye serikali ya St Patrick's boigom egenda tukabago chingera amachibu ayo magigam ya bana batano kunyora amagishiminye go chigoro
asa malieta igonkoro kwa nation oga omwalimu manene we school ya St Patrick's Mosocho eskuru yeiga ne eskuru anana kapisa ase Kisii County a population ya candidates last year igo barenga abana Eyemo ne 52 na isa na batano omo 176 asa abana baiga bonsi abana batano banyoreta magisi 400 gochigoro alafu abana 86 banyoreta magisi 300 gochigoro.
Ninamshukuru Mungu kwa kutufikisha siku ya leo. Pia ninawashukuru walimu na wazazi kwa kuwa nasi hadi siku hii. Ninawapongeza walimu wote kwa kazi nzuri waliofanya mwaka huu. Aswa ninampongeza mwalimu wa darasa Bi Millicent kwa kutuelekeza.
I'm happy for the results that came out. I thank my teachers and parents who have been with us from the first and then
Magayaye omwaziri Ezekiel Machogu kubatuka amachibu ayo ya matemu bono nigo chiskuru cy'abantu bene cyarokane chigokorabya kurinde eyene skuru ye serikali gati chiskuru chinge echenyara koba chikoenekya ngachenyere koba chikoenana amachibu ayakogokya aseboigo wetania abana 54 banyara koba konyora amagisi chimisatu gochigoro
kwena sabalimu abalimu baito asenga kibina torega abone board management yatorama board yagatoja sabalimu yatonya ibaramu na ndi nenjira yemekogera amatoke abere sukuru ye Amaya
abana baito bakorire buya aseng'enjo yo mukyobo ekiba eteire amatemu etobegere tikokora amatemu mbalenge na bwoba ebakoreta amatemu nari bakora butambe.
I want to thank God because every stakeholder here was disciplined and ready to support us.
Omwalimu omanene bw'eskuru ya St Patrick's Mosocho nigo abulire ababwatani abechisemi naboiga serikali gosoana na kweneke buna ebirasi byenyereko bikwagachwa ase skuru iyo naboigo chinyomba chiekebara echira chikoba chikokonya omobaro bw'abana abange abale ase skuru iyo
ntobwate amakong aito gose challenges bune skuru Eyemo yabone linga ntobwate ebirasi bisaine ya kabere ntobwati chicho chisaine ya gatatu ntobwati abalimu baisaine otwarenge ko boli stakeholders gose togoroka bashikadau banje baiche tobwaterane ase okwagache birasi ebi tomente chicho ne serikali togonye boli yanje etomente abalimu
nare gosabaiga challenges zirenkenke chira ase skuru key stakeholders wherever you are toike skuru ya itwange ase ngenyo totaite skuru ya shine mono gwetania ase ikira mwalimu manembi yamana ase gasingia na bali mu kubwaterana board members be skuru yembi yamana ase mirimo koremia tigatwensia so bamo nyasaye atusesenye
Uripotere gataseni Ndizi TV kurwa skuru ya St Patrick's Mosocho ime county ya Kisii Elitarane Josephat Hamisi.
Mbiamano sana omurike ito Hamisi Josephat ase oroboti oru oroikiranu. Konde togosika mutu ase oroboti ronde nigongo kumanyibuna amatemo manene a KCSE nigo litkolia rero aika omoelio. Omuriki ase ewizara yechisemi Dr. Bello Kipsang nigo airaneli mbiamano gochia ase bonsi bali babere bagotenenera amatemo ayo ase aene kibuna nigo aelirubuya boibi bonde bonsi botae negatigwe. Kolende omotenenelio monene ase kiombekeligete Nitamatemu nek David Njegere nigarwa amatuko 30 ase chiskuru chirichita isanigetina machibu ya matemwa a KCPE gotalira chiyo bisi cyabo elinde korwa amaboli abo ase obolingoli.
National examinations allow for any candidate who feels that they have a query on either the way their names were captured or their marks, they have the right to request for us to verify their results. So as soon as we receive this, we verify for each and every candidate, and that is a procedure that will be followed even in this case. As soon as they submit their query, we are going to verify.
On marking, most of us, as we go out to celebrate Christmas, we shall be hanging around to make sure that we are prepared to let our children know their status before the schools open on 23rd. So it means we have a very short time, and therefore we are kicking off all the exercise as soon as we finish what we are doing. So it will be a marathon.
Eskuru yoboroso ya Moi ime kaunti ya Bungoma ngati yechiskuru chirichita isanigetina machibu ya matemo ye kirasi kya 5 na 3 ayo abeteka gosoka bwanguiga kulende skuru yo nigo yatuguteirale amachibu ayo asebaganire oboteneneli bw'ekyombekeli nek koirana buyana boigo kodigereria amachibu ayo asengencho babere bakorera buna nigo amachibu ayo atali amaikerano.
Kuanzia huko nyuma tumefanya mitihani, tumefanya mpaka sub county, mitihani ya mock. Watoto wetu wamekuwa wakiongoza. Tumefanya mitihani na shule nyingi. Hakuna mitihani yenye watoto wetu wamekosa kukua among the top 3. Hiyo cluster yenye sisi wao tunafanya nao. Hakuna mwaka tunaachania mbali. Hata juzi tukifanya ile jomimosa yetu ya mwisho ya shule 5. Watoto wetu kwa top 100 ndio wanafanya nini? Walikuwa wakiongoza. Yaani ni kitu kila mtu amekuwa amejua akiona. Si eti mara hii tulikuwa tuna expect results za kukuja kutu surprise. Ati labda mtoto atokee tu na 400 yenye hajawahi kupata, hapana. Lakini leo mimi kama head teacher nimeshangazwa. Wakati nilijaribu kutuma results, haikuja. Mzazi mmoja aliniambia mtoto wake amepata 354. Hiyo peke yake ilifanya nikashindwa, niko hai, ninalala, ninaota. Kwa sababu mtoto anaitwa Nicole. Mtoto mwenye huwa anakuwa among the best, msichana number 1 best. Apate 354. Nafikiria huyu mzazi ametuma wrong ama amefanya namna gani. Tumekaa chini, kila mtoto mwenye tumetuma as at now mtoto wa kwanza at max ya juu sana. Mtoto wako na max 365. Yenye huyo mtoto tangu azaliwe kwa hii shule, tangu tufanye mitihani yote kwa historia ya hii shule, iwe mwaka hawakufunza, walifunza, hakuna siku tumekuwa na results kama hizo.
omobunge okimilili Didmas Barasa bononigo agosereire goika Gusii wikigambiro ase ogosoera ewizara y'ekibisemi kobwatekana na machibu ya matemo y'ekirasi kya 5 na 3 ayo abete kagosoka bwangoiga anene monokorwa ase eskuru ya Moi DEP ase omwana omutangani abwate amagisi chimisato 55 kolengana na Barasa nigo abateneneri bekyombe gianek babwenerete komochigwa.
I'm urging him to consider remarking of those exams to be able to ensure that whatever the children have been given is what they qualify to get. Because when you have some pupils exams results being withheld, and also the overall performance of the school is not convincing, then that means that that maybe the system that was used either to sieve out those who have participated in malpractices may have disadvantaged the other pupils as well.
Abamenyi be county ya Siaya bononigo babuli gusimeka emite ya matunda ase okweneki obunge wemeteyo ime county yo nabo igogo kinia amanani ogokwana omowaziri Eliodowalo nigo abaganiri abamenyi bensemi yo gochaka omurubiriyo ase okweneki una amatuko abosio amatunda na isaini ase county yo.
The forest cover is 0.23%. The tree cover is 5.27%. The forest cover is low because we have very few gazetted forests, and we have only 2 gazetted forests in the whole of Siaya County. That's we have Kotapiero, and we also have Guatelamongi. Since the short range started, we have so far planted 17,750 seedlings, and the area that we have so far planted is 16.1 hectares.
Fruit trees have the additional advantage of being both sources of food and income. I encourage each one of us to go beyond the present exercise and plant some fruit trees at home. Some fruit trees like avocados, pawpaws, guavas, and mangoes can be found within our homes and neighborhoods, even without anyone growing them. Such trees show natural inclination for our environment.
Haba MCA korwa county ya Nairobi bononigo baorokiri ogotaisanika ase okolingorigwa kwaye Lucky Okudo kolinde nigo bamuganire umugavana we county yo Johnson Sakaja gokora emirimo ahelia abamenyi be county yo babete bakomochora asokone kibuna ngoikirani bale manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza.
Being vetted for chief officer, Lucky Okudo is somebody who was seen on live television snatching people's phones in the bombers of Kenya. A very critical time that this country would have sunk into chaos and into anarchy. So we want to express and tell Governor Sakaja that what we are doing is not okay. We are not happy. We as a party, we feel disgruntled, and the hustlers of this country, the people who went out of their way to fight for this party, are not happy. We are their representatives, and they are telling us to come here and tell them what we are doing is not okay, and we will no longer take it lying down. Really, not just that is because that is the last straw in the camel's back. What we are saying is that we need a more consultative approach in the management of Nairobi, so that we are all able to deliver the manifesto. Right now, in this Christmas season, workers in Nairobi County are going without their salaries. They have no money, they have not been paid. This has never happened in the history of this city. Our parents and the students who are going to school in January, there will be no bursaries, simply because we are doing a lot of PR and a lot of wasting time. So we are telling him, please employ and let us stick to our election manifesto that we gave the people of this city.
20th. Yeye alileta makaratasi yake on 21st. Na kwanza yalikuwa yametumwa katika ile email, barua pepe. Ilikuwa imetumwa katika barua pepe. Jana akakuja na hakuja hata na originals documents za kuonyesha kuwa amehitimu.
Umubunge Omathoya Edwin Mugo nigo ayananire chimilioni 5 eligosira abonchereria abakabake anena mono abasubati ase ebunge yo gokwana nigo abasaba gwakana chibesa chia Uwezo Fund elinde ko enyorera chibesa chyo ase okweneki obokoleri obuya ase amatuko abosyo kolende abasubati nigo bagokera omurubiriyo ase bamugania kogendera kubakonya ase ngencho yokwegendereria.
I'm very happy to disperse the funds. This is just one stop. We are going to other stops. And I'm encouraging the women that we have given this money to repay these funds so that we can be able to give more next year. But starting next year, we will make sure that every penny for the Uwezo Fund that is meant for Madhya constituency, every penny for the Youth Fund, every penny for the Women Fund that is meant for Madhya constituency, it is disbursed, and it is disbursed timely so that it can benefit the people of Madhya.
Raundi ya mbere ya kwanza tulipewa 100,000, ya pili tukapewa 115,000 na ya ile cheki tulipewa ya 230,000 na itatusaidia sana kwa sababu tuta expand our businesses na hata tutasaidia maboma yetu watu wote.
Tumenunua busi, kila mtu ako na busi yake. Sasa tunataka kununua matanki ya maji.
Ini yege Islamu bakobwaterana n'abagenwa kurwa ase edini yo nigo bamoire okoboko omuwaziri Aden Duale ase okobeka engana bosio yokobeka chihijabu echichikobekwa anene mono n'abasubati okwana nigo baine kibuna keromo Kenya nabwate obosibole bwogosasima ase bagania aborokia gosika aborokigwa bali bakobeka chihijabu.
Kuvaa hijab ni heshima na taadhima katika tamaduni ya Kiislamu. Kwa hivyo hilo jambo tunalipongeza sana na tunaunga mkono na tunamshukuru Mungu kuwa na uongozi kuanzia rais ambaye ni mcha Mungu pamoja na waziri wake, hasa yale maneno ambayo ameyazungumza Defense Minister Mheshimiwa Aden Duale.
Wearing hijab among Muslim women is an act of worship, and we thank the government of Kenya Kwanza for the positive gesture. It is our hope and wish that the government will continue to uphold and respect different religions within our borders to foster unity and prosperity among Kenyans.
Jambo la heshima ya mavazi ya mama zetu, dada zetu liwe ni lenye kupawa kipaumbele katika nchi yetu. Kwa hakika jambo kama hili limetufurahisha.
Sehemu zingine ambazo ziko labda up country hawaruhusiwi watoto wa Kiislamu kuvaa hili vazi. Kwa hivyo ni ombi letu kwamba tutakubaliwa kwa sababu kuvaa hijab ni act of worship. Ni kitendo cha
Mwancho muligerera gwikira bunongo ya butolera amangana maya ase ebire yibiga kulende ngo swatore ase nsemo ya kabere ye studio elinde tonyare Captain 001 atoletere chigo soli chiarero kondekera ngoligerera stinsemo chiche mitandao nindoche abakenya bagendete kubolia nindi EPL ego chabakolekana ase ngencho chifans cha Arsenal bagokire mono kulende Captain 001 na chatumanye amange.
Umurubyo bw'ikigosori nigokoretwa sore na Peak Uniforms and Sports Center abarusia na buigo abaonia bechianga ao shokobeka banyore imejumu chukisi ase nyumba ya Baraka Building angena Shivling Supermarket musoba kirisime ase namba enoti isarunegere ibere noti isato kianda isarunesato isato isanunemo enoti.
Mancho muri maitene marago vengi anda kese korwa sense mentangani ya studio A ese togwate Frida Kerubo are narora nyare ko bage korosi kubuya sana na koli ku Merry Christmas yunensemo ya studio A ndora na kenseme ya studio B chiko soli go senero neri ku Happy New Year go sena kira nyare ko bage koba korine tiga bono kwali ni vene asamanga na maya ye chiko soli kuna botambe ile tayari nende mo Steven Captain 001 Neoto chakamanga na Amayia yecho sori korwa se league ya football Kenya Premier League FKF Premier League abwa se chigo sori chendunda ya gatano chiaba chiko sori wa se wiki ye korende kati chigo sori chiricha bwa tobone na se timu ya KCB ndalite kwengerwa ne timu ya Tusker maga yoko nyara ko buchigo libere asegore Eyemo asegeti kyabo genka twenda asegeti torebuna chigoli echu chialenge
Hapa hii yetu. Kuja na nini?
Awo timu ya Tusker FC United timu ababu babwango ikabega kombe ya Kenya Premier League niko bwana kiribuna Tusker FC yatakiri byentunde ya FKF Premier League meweko bwa chiko soli cha chonsi chintangani sano cyo mwako yabona kwana kibuna Tusker FC nere tanganya gwekera boniga kagokwana ne chinyomba cyo boralio moroke mane bwe timu ya Tusker Robert Matano nago kerete obogosoli bwe timu ya yagwa sekolende Zedekia Otieno ziko moroke mane bwe timu ya KCB tago kereti enjere timu ya yabe tekobage kokosori ase gosori yeyo.
Kwanza ndawapa kongole kwa kuweza kupata ushindi, lakini nadhani ya kwamba tumeweza kupoteza nafasi nzuri za kuweza kushinda mechi. So mechi ilikuwa katika mikono yetu, lakini hatujaweza kuwa stadi zaidi ili kuweza kuishinda. At the moment, we'll just give our players some few 4 or 3 days to rest and go have a time with their families, and then we'll come back to prepare for our next match against Gor Mahia. Of course, we'll be working on our attacking because this is an area that at the moment we need to work on. We have been winning one match and losing the other match, so it means that we need to be clinical in front of goal.
It was a tough match, we expected that, and also we prepared for the match. So it was a hard fight one. I'm happy about that one. We are working as a team. We've been together. They are going they are following what we are trying to train in the training sessions, and also they are working as a team. They have been together at least some while, and they understand my philosophy. So we are just playing as a team. We are working as a family, and we are more focused. Everybody's focused. Everybody's determined to play, and then to try to maintain our standard we have already set for around 3 years when I was in this team. So everybody knows what I want from every